welcome to SB Basic Cooking on Board. It's kind of an ugly day today, so we've decided let's just stay in, do a movie night, and have some comfort food. And what better thing to do is to have ribs.
Asian style.
Let's get started.
What do we gotta do first?
Well, I gotta get the silver skin off.
And you're gonna do this, right?
Yes.
Because you know it gives me the heebie-jeebies.
I know. It's really slippery, and it's really hard. The best thing for me is when you can get it all in one pull. Yeah. It's like
So why
weird.
don't they just sell it like that?
I don't know, because some people, I don't know, they just don't. I'm gonna piece them out to like 3, and we're actually gonna cook this in the pressure cooker.
Nice.
So this is absolutely my favorite way of making ribs, just because it's easy, it's quick, and really there's not much fuss about it. And it seriously, you cannot screw this up. Literally, you can't screw it up.
And every time, it's delicious.
Well, it's just really tender, it's easy, and you can pre-make a lot of this stuff.
You used to cook this in the oven, but
I know, I did, which is great if you have a lot of time. But now that we're on the boat, it's kind of, it's better, and it's smarter for us to use a pressure cooker.
and it's faster.
You did not want a pressure cooker.
I
Do you
didn't.
remember that?
Yes, because I remember back in the day, these things would blow up, and you
so
could push
scared
a
of it.
chicken out the top of that little hole.
And I actually never grew up with it either, so I didn't know, so I was scared of it as well. But, oh my god, it's like the easiest thing. Babies are going in. We're gonna eat in just a few hours. Our daughter's definitely a carnivore.
Yeah, she is. With her crazy hair today,
Yeah, it was crazy hair day yesterday at school.
I kind of like it.
Alright, and that's it. We just put this down on high. Put it up to high. And let's let it steam. Add some pressure. So I use a secret ingredient in all of my recipes. Seriously, it is.
What is it? I'm curious now.
Okay, so a lot of my friends always ask what my secret ingredient is, and everybody has one. And it's supposed to be a secret. Well, I'm going to let you in on this little secret. I use it every single time, but it doesn't always go in the recipe. But it does go somewhere.
Makes the best ribs, I'm
It
telling you.
does make the best ribs. I swear to you. It'll make every meal delicious.
Love it.
My mom's ribs are the best ribs. They're so soft. But the best part is the sauce.
So while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna go make the sauce. And it's really simple. I just use a little bit of everything. The base is
Not
garlic.
everything. You have like 5 things in this recipe.
I know, but it changes. The variations changes the flavor. And so I always use garlic. I always use shallots. I do oyster sauce, a little soy sauce. I use a little acid with the rice vinegar. And in this case, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seed oil and obviously some heat
And then you sweetened up.
with some brown sugar.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah.
Nothing like sweet ribs.
Well, it's not sweet though. It's like a sweet, spicy.
It is. They are sweet, sweet, sweet.
Well, and a little savory. I like the savory.
Okay, let's get at it.
All right. Bring up the heat.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hope that's enough sauce.
Enough.
What does it taste like?
Delicious.
It smells good too.
And that's it. That's how I make a sauce.
Seems so simple.
Well, it is just because I really don't measure. And so it always tastes a little different, but...
I know, sometimes it got a little more heat, sometimes it got a little more...
it's spicier, sometimes it's sweeter, sometimes it's saltier, so you just kind of have to play with it and figure out what you like. And...
So don't ask for the recipe. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not saying don't ask for a recipe. I gave you all the ingredients. I just don't know how to measure. So that makes me a not very good baker. But I do like to cook.
Okay.
Alright, so we had it on high for 15 minutes and I turned it off and just let it build pressure. And so 35 minutes later, so total cook time is 35. It's done.
It's done already?
Yeah, you want to check it out?
I'll check it out.
Alright.
Smells good.
There's no more, oh, there's a little pressure.
Oh geez, don't blow us up.
You let the rest of the pressure out. Kind of peters out.
Man, the suspense is killing me.
I know.
And they're done?
They're done.
Okay.
See how the bone pulled away from the meat?
Yes.
It's going to be tender.
It smells
sure.
good.
And that's before the sauce. Just letting it cool off. Do you see how it kind of just falls off the bone?
Now you're teasing me.
It's going to be nice and tender. It's time to sear the meat, toss it in sauce, and let's eat.
Sounds good to me. Thanks for watching Cooking on Board. Tune in next week when I make my own version of pork lettuce wraps. Until then, keep creating.